In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully reduce some of your internet data usage on your Windows 10 computer. So we're basically going to be switching your computer over to a metered network connection, so it'll reduce some of the internet usage some of your apps might be using. And for the most part, it doesn't really affect performance too much, at least in my opinion, from my experience, but I think this could definitely be useful to some of you guys who have low internet speeds or have limited network bandwidth every month. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in settings. Best match should say settings right above trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. And now you want to left click on the network and internet tile. So left click on that. And now you want to left click on where it says to change connection properties. So again, left click on that. Now you want to scroll down until you get to metered connection. If you have a limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection a metered network. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. So just toggle this to the on position in this oval, and then once you're done, just close out of this window. I would recommend restarting your computer, and that's about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.